Students, today we are going to see EVS 2 lesson number 2, Work of the Saints. The saints taught people things like kindness, helping others, non-violence, sacrifice, generosity, equality, and brotherhood. Students, Maharashtra was having tradition of saints. संत नामदेव, संत तुकाराम, श्री चक्रधर स्वामी, संत चोखामेळा, संत गोरोबा, संत सातोबा, संत नरहरी, संत एकनाथ, संत शेख Muhammad, संत तुकाराम, संत Niloba, and along with these saints, there were some female saints also, like Sant Janabai, Sant Soirabai, Sant Nirmalabai, Sant Muktabai, Sant Kanhopatra, and Sant Bahinabai. Today we are going to see some of these saints' work. Let's start with the first saint, Sri Chakradhar Swami. Students, you can see over here, Chakradhar Swami is sitting somewhere in the forest, and with him there are some cubs and a tiger. He was originally a prince of Gujarat. So he came from Gujarat to Maharashtra to preach equality. He did not believe in any discrimination based on gender and caste. So he never separated people between the gender. Student, gender means girls and boys, male and female. And even he had not discriminated between the caste. Student, Chakradhar Swami established a sect called Mahanubhav sect. Sect means panth. He established a separate panth to follow good things, to follow equality. He also, if you want to know what he did, you can read a book titled Leela Chakradhari. Student, now let's see the next sant. It's a Sant Namdev. Now Sant Namdev was a great devotee of Vitthal. He lived in village Narsi. He composed and performed songs in praise of God, which called Kirtan. He spread message of humanity. He said, all are equal. We are human and behave as a human being. You can see here, students, that Sant Namdev is doing Kirtan. People are following him. He traveled Punjab and spread the message of equality. Students, Sant Namdev not only was preached in Maharashtra, but he went to Punjab also. And there he preached equality. Even today, some of his verses are included to the holy books of Sikhs. Students, sixth holy book is Guru Granth Sahib. In their Guru Granth Sahib, there are some verses are there who wrote by Sant Namdev. Students, let's see the another saint, that is the Sant Eknath. After Sant Namdev, Sant Tukaram, Sant Dhaneshwar, Sant Eknath was also went towards the same path. He lived in Paitan and he preached everyone the path to reach God, that is the Bhakti Marg. He wrote numerous religious songs like Abhangas, Ovis, and Bharod. He even loved dumb animals and he preached to love all living things. Means he himself loved animals and he told everyone you should love animals and all living beings, that is tree, all types of creatures. So, students, we will see over here one story. One day, Sant Tukaram going to river Godavari to take bath. He, it was noon and very hot. The sand of riverside was very hot too. पूरी सैंड भी बहुत गर्म हो गई थी, 12 बज चुके थे. So it was very hot. He heard the crying of a poor child sitting on the hot sand. So you can see a picture of a child, a small child without clothes and sitting on hot sand. He rushed to him and looked around for child's parents. He picked the child in his arm and reached him home. Students, you will ask me, teacher, so what is there new in that? Students, that time there is a caste discrimination. People don't used to touch who are from the lower caste. And Sant Eknath was from the higher class, that is, he was a Brahmin, and a child was from the lower caste. So, if he will touch, then others will banish him from the group, from the religion. So, that is why this incident was very important in Sant Eknath's life, and it is preaching us to be equal. Now, you can see over here there is a picture of Ramdas Swami, then Sant Tukaram, and Shivaji Maharaj. So Shivaji Maharaj also used to take some guidance from these sons. Sant Tukaram and Ramdas were lived in Shivaji's time. Let's see Sant Tukaram. Tukaram came from Dehu near Pune. He owned a farm and also grocery shop. So he was nicely well settled person. His forefathers used to lend money to needy people. तो लोगों को पैसे जो लोन पे देते हैं, पैसे उधार पे देते हैं, सो लाइक देयर फोरफादर यूज्ड टू डू, और उनके पास से इंटरेस्ट लेते थे. एंड दैट इंटरेस्ट वाज सो हाई दैट पीपल यूज्ड टू गेट टायर्ड ऑफ पेइंग. सो व्हाट Tukaram did? Tukaram drew all records of loan papers in Indrayani river. उन्होंने सारे पेपर्स को रिवर में, इंद्रायणी रिवर में बहा दिया. And so no one have to pay, no papers, no one have to pay interest, and people were very happy. He wrote abhangas and performed kirtans. You can see over here, Shivaji Maharaj also attended his kirtan. Sant Tukaram preached people virtue of pity, forgiveness, peace of mind, and equality. He alone a saint and all drews with him. तो कहा जाता है ये अकेले ऐसे संत थे जिनके साथ हमेशा भगवान जी रहते थे, एंड भगवान ने उनके लिए पुष्पक विमान भेजा था उनको स्वर्ग लाने के लिए. Even today, all over Maharashtra, we hear people proclaiming. हम जब एकादशी के दिन, कार्तिक एकादशी या फिर आषाढ़ी एकादशी, that time people go to Pandharpur and they say this word. What this is? Gyanba Tukaram. So Gyanba means Sant Jnaneshwar and Tukaram. So they take these two great saints' name. And even in many houses, Tukaram Gatha is read. Now students, let's see Samartha Ramdas. Now he is a different person. You can see his picture over here. Ramdas was born on Jam, on bank of Godavari in Marathwada. Now this person, this great sant, he born on the Ramnami. That day Ramnami was there. As per religious, everyone kept their name Narayan, but he preferred himself to call as a Ramdas, क्योंकि वो रामनवमी के दिन पैदा हुए थे, तो वो बोलते थे नहीं, मेरा नाम राम का दास है. So everyone started calling him Ramdas. Through Das Bodh, he taught men the way of good life. Through Manache Shlok, he gave people lesson in good thoughts and good conduct. If you see the book of Samartha Ramdas, Manache Shlok, there are many shloks are there. Shloks means of a 2 lines, 4 lines. Some prayer is there, not actually prayer. The sentences are there, which guide you how you have to be in a life. क्या कैसे बिहेव करना है, क्या थॉट्स होने चाहिए अपने, और उस थॉट्स को कैसे आगे लेके जाना है. You can see over here, he is performing prayer to Hanumanji. So to popularize the worship of strength, he raised the temple of Hanuman, the god of strength. तो वो जानते थे कि लोगों के अंदर ताकत, स्ट्रेंथ लाना बहुत ज़रूरी है. सो ही स्टार्टेड वर्शिपिंग, और पीपल को वो बोलने लगे कि यू ऑल्सो वर्शिप हनुमान जी. तो उन्होंने बहुत सारे हनुमान टेम्पल्स बिल्ड करवाए. ही थॉट पीपल टू बी स्ट्रांग एंड यूनाइटेड, कि हमेशा साथ में रहो तो ही तुम्हारी एकता में ही ताकत है. इवन ही टोल्ड पीपल टू ऑर्गेनाइज देमसेल्फ, हमेशा ग्रुप बना के रखो तो कोई भी तुमसे झगड़ेगा नहीं. एंड फाइट अगेंस्ट इनजस्टिस. स्टूडेंट्स, दिस ऑल सेंट, द वर्क ऑफ सेंट ब्रॉट अ ग्रेट अवेकिंग अमंग द पीपल. लोगों के अंदर बहुत सारी जागरूकता लाई. एंड वॉट द चेंज केम इन टू पीपल्स माइंड, दैट दे अंडरस्टूड सेल्फ रिलायंस. Even they developed confidence between them, and all this helped Shivaji in his fight for Swaraj.